here's the last review video. I will finish the worksheet and put it on Blackboard also so that you have something to study tonight if you want. Couple of things we didn't review was the quadratic formula. Make sure you can do the quadratic formula, but otherwise you should be in good shape. All right, so we have to be able to find the axis of symmetry, the vertex, the intervals on which the function is increasing and decreasing, and the range. Those are all questions on your test tomorrow. So, axis of symmetry. Remember, the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. And remember, that's the first part of the quadratic formula. So, in this case, a equals 4, and b equals negative 16. So I have negative 16 over 2 times 4. So that is negative 16 is positive 16 divided by 8, which is 2. So x equals 2 is my axis of symmetry. Okay, so remember my vertex lies on that axis of symmetry. So I need to find f of 2. So I have 4 times 2 squared minus 16 times 2 plus 9. I did not do this ahead of time, so let me quick slide up my calculator on my phone. Remember, your calculators should be standalone calculators when you take the test. I know that I can't monitor that, but I'm trusting that you will all do that because it's the right thing to do, and I hope that you do the right thing tomorrow. All right, I'm having trouble with my calculator. So what is this? 4 times 4 is 16. Guess I have to do it the old way. Minus 32 plus 9. So minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. You can graph it on your graphing calculator to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex. So the vertex should be 2 comma negative 7. 2 comma negative 7. I'm just going to double check that. 4x squared minus 16x plus 9. See if I can get Desmos to work properly. Okay, now I've forgotten what it was. Come on, Desmos. I know my iPad is old. Alright, so it was 4x squared minus 16x. Oh, great. Now I've lost that too. Minus 9? Was that what it was? Plus 9. Plus 9? Is that what it was? Let's see where my... Yep. Notice my axis of symmetry. My vertex there is at 2, negative 7. So that must have been the right one. Alright, so 2, negative 7. So that's what it is. I got to get back to my notability now. Sorry. So that's good. That's correct. Now the intervals increasing and decreasing. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of sketch this. You won't have to sketch tomorrow because that's not multiple choice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2, negative 7. If my x is 0, my y is 9. 0, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's over here, so then I got one over here. And if I put in a 1, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 16, so 4, 13. I think that's minus 3. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. So I got this very skinny parabola if I were to graph it that way. If I really had to graph it, I might have spread it out a little bit, but I'm kind of in a hurry because I only have 10 minutes. So there's my graph, okay? And even if I didn't have to graph it, I would probably have made a little sketch like this, so that this is this is 2. So my increasing interval is here, so that's going to be increasing is 2 to infinity. That's increasing. Make sure, well, you're not showing me any work, so it doesn't matter. Decreasing is the other side, so that would be negative infinity to 2. Negative infinity to 2 is my decreasing interval. My range is the y values. Since it's opening up, it's going to be y is greater than or equal to whatever this lowest y value is, which is -7. That's my vertex. Okay? All right, let's quickly do this one. See how fast I can be. Axis of symmetry is x equals -b over 2a. B is -4. Be careful with this one, -4, because I switched it up on you. A is down here. A is -1. So 2 times -1. So that makes -2. So x equals -2. Now I have to do f of -2 to find the y value that goes with this. This would be a lot easier if I had my calculator on me. And I don't. -2 squared, it's downstairs. So 2 plus 8 minus 4. 2 plus 8 minus 4 is 6. So it looks like my vertex is -2, 6. Again, I would encourage you to graph it on your graphing calculators. So my parabola opens upside down, and this is -2 here. That's the x. So my increasing is on this side now because it opens upside down because a is negative. So my increasing is from -infinity to -2. And my decreasing is from -2 to infinity. And my range now is going to be less than 6. So y is less than or equal to 6. And then if I wanted to graph